Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be featuring a wig from Ashimaryhair. These are all the contents of the package along with the wig. This is a HD Yaki wig, and this is also their pull and go wig. So that just means it has this drawstring that you can pull in the back to adjust your wig, which is so handy. And this is a 16-inch Yaki straight wig. So to prepare my hair for the install, y'all know I don't do braids. I feel like I always have to say that just every video in case you're new here, but all I did today was twist it up and put a bobby pin in it because I didn't want that ponytail hump in the back. So this is the lace. I am showing you guys how flat the lace is, and this wig already comes pre everything, but I do like to cut those little ridges off of the lace. I just don't like how they lay on my head, but other than that, the wig is perfect. It comes pre-bleached, pre-cut, and pre-plucked. And I don't know what, but they definitely took a hot comb to this wig because the lace is super flat. So this is me putting the wig on, and you really could go. You really could go if you like the more natural look. But me, I am going to do a little something something. This is a long 16 inches on me also, so I'm just showing you guys what it's looking like on me, and that I like to pull the wig cap back, and sometimes you can see it through the lace, but that's okay because by the end of the day it's gonna slide. Anywho, so this is what the wig looks like. So to prepare for the hairspray, I am just gonna go in and kind of carve out my part in my natural hair, so it kind of opens up the lace right there just so it's a little more natural looking. I'm not as fortunate in the forehead area, so anyways, I am going in with some Got To Be hairspray just to hold it in place and kind of melt the lace into the skin. I am going to put a band on. Normally I let it sit for like 5 to 10 minutes depending on however long it takes to dry. It's just hairspray, so it doesn't take long to dry. Then also I like to kind of separate the lace from my natural edges. I think the wig looks way more natural when I leave my edges out, but honestly I don't have a choice. So this is what it looks like after some minutes. You guys, we are going to layer this wig up to our best ability. I am going to cut the hair because I want to curl it, and I want to curl it in a particular way. I've been searching and searching for like just easier ways to curl hair, and I think I definitely found my technique. I followed this girl's TikTok, but I'll put that TikTok video in the description box if TikTok doesn't get banned again. But anyways, I'm just going in with my razor comb. If you want your curls to lay a certain way, you have to have layers in it, and I've learned that because I've always been like I want my hair just all one length. I want it long, and I don't want you to cut it. But the older I get, or just the more versatile I guess I want in the hairstyles, you have to have layers. It just makes your hair look more natural, it flows better, and it frames your face. So we love that. So here I am, not no professional, but I am just cutting whatever I feel needs to be cut to achieve what I want to achieve. So that's what we're doing. But you don't care about nobody, nobody but you. Don't think you care about me. Oh girl, I care about you. But you don't care about nobody. This is what it looks like after all of the cutting. It looks really good, and here it is from the back. The hair also has so much movement. This isn't one of those stiff Yaki wigs. She very much so has a lot of body. So for the curls, for the bang part, I am curling under, and then for the rest of the curls, I am going to curl upside down. So I guess that's the technique. Around your face you curl inward, and then everywhere else you just curl upside down, and then we're gonna pin it so all the curls cool down and they can last longer. Nobody but you said I did it all. Situation makes me feel I'm not a man at all. Said I did it all. Situation makes me feel I'm not a man at all. No.
thinking I ain't worth shit, but I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to have you in my arms. And I know for a fact who you are, into we are. We are. Don't think you care about me. Oh girl, I care about you. But you don't care about nobody. Nobody but you. Don't think you care about me. Oh girl, I care about you. But you don't care about nobody. Nobody but you. I had the time to run to you, not run your life. But never wrong you twice. I wanna make things right. And maybe you'll take me. Hope you don't hate me.
Don't want to fight anymore. Daytimes are silent as hell. I wish that I could know all that you said. If you can find the time or space, then I don't have the words to say. I wonder if they all.
And I am moving so slow. For one, this is so new to me. For two, the hair was really hot, so I kind of was taking my time rolling it up because the hair does get really hot, and I'm only curling my hair on 425 degrees. So keep that in mind. Wear a glove.
Gonna be when you tell me. Don't think you care about me.
Oh girl, I care about you.
But you don't care about nobody.
Nobody but you.
Don't think you care about me.
Oh girl, I care about you.
But you don't care about nobody.
Fuck your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, who waited line. You don't need me, please believe me.
Okay, so the curls have dried, and some of them look like they're about to fall. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the clips out. Hopefully the curls turn out how I saw them. Okay, so another reason, well, the main reason I pin the curls is because sometimes Yaki textured hair, it doesn't hold a curl for long, so sometimes the curls need to set. And I also added a little bit of Got To Be hairspray, not too much because I want to be able to still comb through the curls. So if this turns out how I expected or how I hope, this is the only way I'm going to curl my hair from now on. Real hair included, because I just haven't found a curl that I love yet. So hopefully this turns out cute, but didn't take long at all to curl the hair. And you guys saw that I cut a whole bunch of layers in it. Not even a whole bunch. I cut a little bit of layers in the hair, so I'm just going to comb through the hair with a wide tooth comb because I don't want to lose the curl pattern. Ooh! Now I will say I expected this wig to be much shorter. I think I got a 16-inch wig, but this is really cute. This is really stinking cute. I just followed this girl's curl tutorial from TikTok and I love. So cute. Oh, which way? Not that way though. this curl is supposed to go. That way? No. This way, and then that way. This way, and then this way. Yeah. Okay. So stinking cute. And I also put some concealer in the part so that you can see it. But this wig from Ashimaryhair is so good. The density is literally perfect. $360. I don't know what the back looks like, but hopefully it's cute. Yes, so good. And to tack this down, I just use hairspray as well, just so it doesn't move. The fit is nice and snug. You guys saw how I pinned my hair up, which is what I might start doing, especially if I don't have braids underneath, because the ponytail was just, I just hated that little lump back there. So this is much better for my hair. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you notice, I didn't do any edges because I kind of just wanted to see what it looked like without it. And I'm not mad at it. Once I define the part, it's given a little less wiggy, because at first it was just too straight across for me. But I love how this turned out. I'll be sure to list all of Ashimary's hair info in the description box for you guys. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.